Karai jong kejelang jong ka high level committee kabal long ne kasni kala bentep bamanta ki don hakabenta bakhado ban pendep no e ka kaipon kabai de bat ka issue Themmetor ki bayal don lang hakate ki jelang ki kentup yu sembut dirang ba presiden tensong menteri kampo yeng kecela ba lakmen rembui ba hamlet doling menteri ketrat penroisor batru menteri karep karyang ba bentoi doling do kaki HDC Siemeliam batru komunispal habakran beklap thai khubor ba presiden tensong ulong ba kinsong Kawei kejelang haswa ban phat no ya kaipot syak sarkar jela
consultative committee headed by the Honorable Urban Affairs Minister. We received the report, and then now more or less the issues that we discussed from one meeting to another meeting is almost reached to a final stage. So hopefully maybe in the next meeting again we'll be able to finalize everything and then submit the report to the government for necessary action. One more meeting will be there by the HLC, and then we will compile everything, the report, and then we will send to the state government for necessary action. So that is it. See, I don't, let me prepare a report. I don't think I can tell you wherever we have a meeting, because internal issues are there, we discuss, I can't just tell you everything. So you please be patient, wait for one more meeting, I will tell you everything, what is the decision taken and then what is the report to be submitted to the government. In the next meeting, I think we'll be able to submit a detailed report to the state government.